Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we're going to learn how to do a fakie flip. So it's very similar to the normal flip, what you hopefully already learned, because for this trick you need the fakie ollie and the fakie flip, the flip as well. So rolling fakie is when you roll backwards in your normal position, but your front foot is on the nose and your back foot is just under the balls, so on sideways a bit, so you can easily catch a flick. So the movement is like, as you roll backwards, you have to pop the board, and at the same time you have to pull your feet up and out diagonally. So that's going to help you flip the board, and at the same time you have to look down when the boards turn around, try to spot the boards, land on it, and try to land centered. So roll away then. If you land a little bit on your nose, on your tail, then either you're going to have a wheel bite or you're going to slip out, which we try to avoid. But have fun, and hopefully I helped you to get closer to your first fakie flip.